Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from Raj Cloud Technologies. Thank you all for joining today's SAP FICO introduction session. Thank you all for joining session today. Before starting the session, I just want to take 2 to 3 minutes of your time and to explain about our social media handles about Raj Cloud Technologies as well. Then we'll stepping into the actual content part. Okay. So let's be with me for the next 5 minutes. So let me start with our YouTube channel. We have an official YouTube channel actually, that is Raj Cloud Technologies online job based training. This is our YouTube channel. We have 36,200 plus subscribers already, and we have uploaded more than 200 plus videos here. So just visit our channel once. If you feel that the content is useful for you, if you like our content, like the video, comment on them and subscribe to our channel for more videos. I have just shared you the official channel link as well. Okay, I have shared the link in the Zoom chat. So use this link and subscribe to our channel, please. And we have an Instagram channel as well, that is Raj Cloud Tech. You can check it as a Raj Cloud Tech here. Okay, so this is our Instagram channel. Just give me a second, please. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, sorry for that. So we have Instagram channel as well, that is Raj Cloud Tech. We have 3,000 plus followers here. Just visit our Instagram page as well. So here in our Instagram, you especially get these job openings actually. Whenever we have any openings related to any technology, we will be posting here in our Instagram story as well, and we'll be adding this to our highlights as well. Okay, so just follow our Instagram page to get all the latest updates of Raj Cloud Technologies and the job openings as well. Okay. Even if you miss any story also, you can see the highlights and you can apply from there. Got it? Yes. And we have an official website too, that is razinformatica.com. This is our website and this is the home screen. And if you just scroll down, you will find out a separate section called software trainings that we offer here. We are offering generative AI, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of dbt and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Cyber Security, Power BI, AWS and DevOps, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, okay, and so GCP, Python for full stack, Python for data science, Python for AI and chat GPT, and Salesforce. These are the courses that we have right now in Raj Cloud Technologies. Very soon we are launching few more courses as well. So just visit our page continuously so that you'll get the complete updates about the courses and all. So this website is not only about the courses. We have many useful interview questions are also available. Many useful materials are also available. Okay, internships are also available, and we have the jobs as well. Okay, we have the jobs as well. So if you just scroll up, there is some separate section is available for you, that is upcoming free live sessions. And here you can see the today's session as well. Whenever we provide some free live sessions to everyone, you can access that session link here from this page. You can see today's meeting as well. SAP S4 HANA 26th November at 8 p.m. and AWS Data Engineering 27 November at 8 p.m. Snowflake dbt and ADF program 28th November at 8 p.m. Okay, this is how we will be posting about all our free sessions as well. Got it? Yes. So let me take you to the SAP page directly here. Okay, you can see the course here. If you just click on the course, it will take you to the page where you can see the complete updates about the SAP course. Okay, you can see here there is a new batch starting up from 26th of November, that is from today. Okay, and this course duration is 2 months, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday, and the class timings are morning 7 a.m. Morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. This is what the class timings are. Got it? The class timings are morning 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. IST. We will be having 1.5 hour session every day. Okay, Monday to Friday. And the technologies that we are going to teach here, the course unique features. Okay, and so after completion of this course, what are the opportunities that we can apply for? Okay, what are the job roles that we have? All these things you can see here, and about the course curriculum, and at the end of the course, what you will be getting up. and about your instructor. Okay, so yes, your instructor is Ms.Dipti. So she's SAP certified and she's having 10 places of experience as an instructor and a consultant as well. Okay, she's currently working and she's delivering the trainings as well. That is the reason why we have session at morning 7 to 8:30 a.m. IST. Got it? Yes. So before handling session to Deepti Garu, I would like just like collect your names and WhatsApp numbers here to just like update you about the next sessions and the today's session recording as well. And we will be adding you to the our SAP WhatsApp group also. Our SAP WhatsApp group also. All these things like will be providing it to you. So quickly share me your name and WhatsApp number over chat. Quickly share your name and WhatsApp number in the chat. The Zoom chat I just shared with you, and I'm just like starting a timer as well. We'll have a sharp 1 minute break. We'll have a sharp 1 minute break. Okay, and we'll start the session. The people who ever joined now, so till now it is just introduction was going on. Now we are stepping into the complete technical part of SAP. Okay, before that, just drop your name and WhatsApp numbers here over chat so that like we can share you the today's session recording and material as well. And you will be also added to our SAP WhatsApp group too. We have a special WhatsApp group where our previous batch students are available, and so we have many working people in that group. Many professionals are there. Okay, so many learners are there. So if you want any help, anything assistance you required on SAP, many people will be there to support your questions and your doubts as well. So just share your name and WhatsApp number. We'll have a WhatsApp group to you. Okay. Yeah, I'll share the complete things over the WhatsApp and you'll get today's session recording as well. Today's session we are recording now. This session will be uploaded and this session will be shared with you as well. The chat is still open. You can keep sharing your numbers. Okay. Thank you all. And at the end of the session, I'm going to help you with some special discount on the course price. And I'll discuss about your server as well. And I'll discuss about the jobs as well right now and what we can do for you, especially than other institutes, and what we can help you towards the job assistance program. So how we can guarantee you to your job and everything, I'll assist you at the end. Okay. So meanwhile, just like have these technical questions, technical content and everything. You just like have it meanwhile. And once you're done with all your technical part, again I'll be taking over the session and I'll help you for the remaining things. Okay. Thank you all. Deeptika, over to you, please.
Yeah, thank you, Karthik. Good evening, all. My name is Dipti. I'm a SAP FICO trainer. So I'm having 10 plus years of experience. I'm working with real-time project and for the trainings as well. So just allow me 1 minute to share the screen. Can just someone confirm you are able to see my screen? I hope it is visible. Okay. So we are going through the just for a minute. So this is about the overview, what we are going to conduct in the training. So we are going through those like topics and what we are covering in this SAP S4 HANA FICO training. So this is agenda, like we will be going through introduction, SAP FICO, different functionalities, what are the new features of S4 HANA and the question answers. So first of all, SAP stands for System Application and Product in Data Processing. So SAP is an ERP system. So when we talk about ERP means it is allowing you to use the same software in all the departments of a company. So there are different ERP systems available in market, but SAP is the one which is available and which is getting used by many companies. So almost we can say 60 or 70% of the industries worldwide, they are using SAP as their system. And S4 HANA is SAP's latest version. So SAP has launched its new database, which is called as S4 HANA, and it is the fourth generation. That's why it is called as SAP S4 HANA. So in SAP, we are going through different, like in company, we have different departments like purchase, sales, finance. Same way we have departments wise. Here also we have a particular module that is going to work. So finance module we will be using for FI related to accounting, sales and distribution for SD, sales department, materials management deals with procurement, that is purchase department, plant maintenance related activity in PM, production planning means your actual production, human capital management or HR, human resource. Then we are getting controlling, that is costing department related module. Then project system, PS, quality management, where we have a quality control. So all these you can if you observe, these are the departments which are working for, which are getting used, or which are the departments of a company where all the activities are taking place, and for every department we have a different module. And the training that we are going to learn about is the FICO related, that is finance and controlling. So this is about the FI related topics. So we in FI, as we have typically accounting that we have to go through, same way in SAP FI also we have to go through the topics which are related to accounting. So we will be learning about general ledger, leading non-leading ledger, account receivable, accounts payable, bank accounting, asset accounting, taxes on sale purchase, withholding tax, that is your income tax related setup. So when we start with the company to use, I mean, whenever we are trying to understand the requirement of a company to work on an implementation, that is a new project. So you need to define the organizational structure. So organizational structure or enterprise structure is nothing but actually the setup that you need to do for a company. So when we talk about this setup, just allow me. So practically we need to create a company, like name of the company in SAP. So we are actually need to go through a step of configuration where you can practically define the setup of your organizational structure. So it is called as enterprise structure. So you need to define it for all the modules, like you can see here, financial accounting, controlling, sales. So for every we need for every department or module we have enterprise structure to be defined. So for financial account we have defined company, that is your group company, company code. We have different function based on reporting which are called as, so we have business area segments which are available. So based on this we need to finally define and design your org structure, that is called as SAP's financial accounting related enterprise structure or organizational structure. Once you define the organizational structure, then we need to maintain the GL, general ledger related setup. So general ledgers are nothing but the main ledgers or GLs which represents your financial statements. So practically here you need to define the setup of all the ledgers, that is your GL accounts. So practically we will be going through each and every GL configuration related to GL. Then we need to create the GL master data. So in master data, like we will be having the list of all GLs like this we are creating, to which we call it in SAP as chart of accounts. So for expenses, income, asset related account, cash bank, like that you practically have to create each and every GL which is going to get used for your business. With this we are going to post different accounting entries. So we can use transactions like FB50 or F-02, which are transactions that show you how to post the accounting entry, where when we will be having the header data, and here we are practically using those GLs that we have created, and with those you can post using debit and credit and amount, and practically we can post the accounting entry as per the requirement of a client. So chart of account is the list of all GLs that we are going to use and create, and with those GL we are going to post the entry. We are able to check the reporting also for GL balances, GL line item level. Reversal of entry can be possible. You can do the setup related to park and hold entry. Different type of recurring entries are available. So such type of scenarios are getting covered under GL accounting. So GL is a module, or we can say GL is a setup where all the entries related to purchase, sales, or vendor, customer, HR, asset, everything get updated in GL. And with these, finally, we create or prepare our financial statements. So general ledger is all about collection of all the GLs that we have, and then we can represent them using GL balances, and you can present your financial statement, that is P&L and balance sheet, at the end of the year. Then the next topic we cover about is It is about the account receivable. So account receivable means it is dealing with the receivables part. That is where we're going to receive the amount after sales from the customer. So we will be recording actually the transactions related to customer. So for this, we can create the customer related master data. If it is payable, then we can create a vendor related master data. And practically we have to create each and every setup like BP, business partner as we call it as, and then we have a customer setup. So if we are practically maintaining the customer, we have to use the particular name of a customer. Then we have to assign the debtors GL for the customer. So we have to first of all create the master data, and then with this we can post the invoices also. Like if we have to post invoice customer to sales entry, we can post it with customer invoice. That is, we are going to use transactions for just 1 minute. We are going to use the transaction for posting the customer invoice. Then also we can check the reports related to customer and the payment related entry that you are going to receive the amount from customer. So we can practically post the entry related to customer incoming payment. So all these entries that we are talking about the finance, they are related with. Okay, so this is incoming payment from customer. So these are the entries which are getting updated in SAP after receiving the payment. And in FI we post the entries which are related to non-material entry. Okay, and those invoices are generated in FI module. Also, we are doing the integration of FI with SD module, sales and distribution, because mainly the entries are getting posted for sales related to material, wherein your stock is going to get updated, your cost of goods sold, your sales account, every revenue generation is going to take place through SD when it is coming or posting related to material. So those are getting updated in SD module, and respective entries are getting passed automatically in FI module through the integration. So that is also we are going to cover, and different reports like customer analysis, aging, balances of customer. These are different reports which are available. So when we talk about integrated part of account receivable, then in sales SD module, they will create a sales order. In accounting, there will be no accounting entry, only we are doing credit review of a customer. Then when we are delivering the material, then automatically the accounting entry for material and stock which is getting updated will be posted, and cost of goods sold will be debited. And when we are talking about the billing, customer invoices will be generated in SD module, and respectively the accounting entry of customers to sales will be posted to FI automatically with the configuration that we have done through FISD integration. And then finally we are going to receive the payment. So this is how our integrated account receivable related to customer will look like. After this, we are going to learn about accounts payable. Now, this is exactly the functionality which is opposite to AR. This is about the payables, which covers the part related to your vendor or supplier. And receivable, we are receiving the amount. In payable, we have to pay the amount. So same way, when we talk about the vendor related posting, you will be creating vendor with a BP. And then in BP, when we talk about a particular vendor with the vendor related role uh, roles, we have to create the vendor for your company. We have to assign the sundry creditors GL. With FB60 we can post the transactions related to customer invoices. So this will generate the entry related to customer invoice for non-material entry means you can update the entry related to vendor for. This is the entry which is getting posted. So when we talk about the vendor invoice, it will generate the non-material entry. So for example, let's say I have purchased office stationery, and office stationery to vendor entry I wish to post. So that is a non-material invoice which you can generate with FI related invoice. And then we can also make the payment through F-53, which is a manual payment. Okay. So this is a manual payment that you are going to post for vendor. And when it comes for the payable related part with material activity, then we will be posting it with a FI and MM integration. So it is a separate integration. Apart from FISD is a separate, and FIMM is a separate integration that we are going to cover. And then again, the entries will be created in MM module related to your material, and the subsequent entries are getting posted in FI automatically. So separate report like vendor analysis, individual vendor balances are also available in payable related reporting. So when we talk about the integrated payable, purchase requisition, purchase orders will be generated in MM module. Respectively, there is no accounting effect. But when we are receiving the material, raw material, so my raw material quantity is getting or stock is getting updated. So such postings will be posted to FI automatically. And once we generate the invoice in MM module, the vendor invoice will be posting the entry related to your purchases, or a entry that is going to credit your vendor will get posted automatically, and then we can make the payment to vendor through cash or check, that is bank. So payable and receivable are the topics which deals with the customer and vendor related part of the transaction with FI as well as with FIMM and FISD integration. Then when we talk about the payment through check or bank transfer, so we need a bank. So my company may be using different type of bank accounts which are getting used for their business. So those need to be created in SAP FI as house bank. So house bank is nothing but actually the bank that you are going to create. So in FI, we have to create the bank, we have to assign the, see, so we practically will be having our company code. For that, we will be creating different bank like ICICI, IDFC, and for that also we need to have a particular branch defined, and also you need to assign the GL account for those bank and bank account number. So wherever your address is maintained, all these details need to be updated related to bank accounting. So bank account allow you to post or process with the house bank, that is your own bank accounts that you are having, that you are getting used for your business, and those will be created in FI module. Now once you create a bank, you can make the payment either with a check, that is a manual payment. You are having checkbook and you're giving check to vendor, and then you are trying to update it with vendor, that is a manual check process. And also we can make the entry with automatic payment, that is called as APP, automatic payment program. So this allows you to make the payment with multiple vendors, different payment method like bank transfer, check, such type of different methods can be used. So for that you need to do the configuration using FBZP, wherein you are doing actually the setup related to automatic payment program. So this allows you to process the bulk payments to vendor by specific configuration, and based on the configuration that you have done, system will pick up the data and will make the payment, and also it will generate the output like check or bank transfer file that can also be get generated automatically. So this is related to the house bank or bank accounting. So this is how your bank looks like in SAP, that we have a company code bank key is your branch. So all the data need to be updated. Then after bank, the very important topic about finance is asset accounting. So this asset accounting deals with the fixed assets of your company. So when we talk about the fixed assets, we have different asset classes. That is your main asset like building, vehicle, plant and machinery. Such type of asset class needed to be configured. Based on that, we will be having our master data created. Then you will assign the main GLs, that is your depreciation related GLs, asset master data related main asset GLs that you are presenting in your balance sheet, all to be updated, and then finally it will generate the financial statements for your asset accounting posting. So each and every entry related to asset, when we talk about the setup, we will be including it, the asset, purchase of asset, depreciation, retirement of asset, all things will be updated, and it will also give you the reporting related to asset explorer. So if you go through asset related setup, you can create the asset master data. Like I may have a data that can be created for asset, like individual asset need to be created. Then you can also assign which is going to be your depreciation method as per different type of accounting principle. Also you can maintain different depreciation as per tax requirement, also you can maintain. So all this will be updated in a configuration, and based on that your depreciation can also get calculated every month, 6 monthly, yearly, as per your requirement. And the entry depreciation to accumulated depreciation can also get posted automatically. So to cover all this setup, we have to create a asset master data, transactions need to be posted, then depreciation run need to be performed monthly for posting your entry, and all the setup will be finally presented through asset accounting as the GL, finally asset minus depreciation entry, and in P&L you will post depreciation as an expense account. So all these scenario and entry related to asset accounting are getting covered under fixed asset and asset accounting topic. So this is, apart from that, we are covering taxes on sale purchase, wherein you can create the tax codes as per your GST percentage, whatever it is applicable. The GL entries are getting generated automatically. System will pick up the taxes. You need to create tax code with the percentage, and then respective entries for vendor customer related taxes, report generation, everything can get accustomed in SAP. Also, we are covering the topic related to withholding tax, that is your income tax related setup, wherein we will be posting the entry of TDS for vendor invoice advance payments that you are doing. Then also in account receivable payable related scenario, we are trying to cover the related to receivable, let's say down payment received from customer, down payment made to vendor, the asset related, sorry, foreign currency related entry. So done, if we are not receiving payment from customer, then we can send the dunning letter to the customer. All these scenarios and processes are getting covered under FI related setup. Also, we are covering the leading and non-leading ledger setup, which is and document splitting as well, which is required for the purpose of parallel currency or parallel ledger valuation. Like that, all the concepts which are related to ledger, they are also getting covered under FI module. So these are the topics which are related to FI module. Then the next part comes about is the CO. So FI and CO are actually the different modules of SAP, but here we need to cover the costing related with topics which are relevant for finance. So we cover the topics for controlling as controlling organizational structure, wherein you will be having creating controlling area. We will be assigning our company codes for those controlling areas, and different report of levels of reporting, which is focusing mainly on internal reporting, they are available. So SAP, when we talk about the particular setup of organizational structure for CO, it start with controlling area operating concern. Under that you can have multiple company codes assigned, for which we can create cost center, profit center, or any other CO object as per the requirement. Then we can create our GLs as a cost element, which are going to be the carrier for actually the data to flow from FI to CO for the purpose of reporting. So those GLs which you want to be get reported in CO module, we can create those GLs as a cost element. Cost centers allow us to make the reporting related to overheads. So they are related mainly or focusing mainly on the part of ongoing expenses of a company, and they can actually do the reporting for planned versus actual entry, and we can get the comparison based on the master data that we have created for cost centers. Profit center allow us to get the reporting related to internal profitability that we are going to get through our transactions. So profit centers allow us to get the reporting related to revenue analysis or profitability analysis. And we also have internal orders. Again, they are tracking the cost which is related to overheads. But we already have cost centers which are tracking the cost. So internal orders are the one which are created specific for a specific task or job or project or a specific event. Let's say, for example, my company has organized a job fair for 3 days. So for those 3 days, I wish to capture what are going to be the expenses. So such type of uh, particularly the expenses which are there for temporary period, and then you can settle, that is you can transfer that cost to some other CO object, and then you can close the internal order. So such type of setup in which you can track the cost to a specific job or project or any event, those are also getting covered under internal order. So these are basically the topics which are related to FI and CO that we are going to cover. And also the new features that are there in HANA, like we are going to discuss about the universal journal table. That is, we have ACDOCA, which is now launched by SAP as a single point of table wherein all FICO related data is getting updated. Then we have best practices which are available by SAP for pre-configured scenario that you can use. We are also going to learn about the SAP Fiori apps. So Fiori is a new interface that SAP has launched from user and reporting point of view. So those also we are going to cover with the same data that we create, how to post the entry using Fiori apps, how to check the reports, how we get different type of analysis analytical report through Fiori app. That is also what we are going to cover. And we can do the real-time analytics because of this AC Doka table, and it helps us to perform the faster than compared to the old database of SAP. So these are the new features which are available in S4 HANA. So this is about all the overview of a course that we are going to cover. So this is kind of a technical part which we discussed about SAP, wherein we have shown you like different screens, some of the screens wherein we can access the server actually, and you can do step by step like a real time project. We are going to do each and every configuration starting from your basic enterprise structure, covering GL, ARAP, taxes, asset, every topic, costing related topic, and with all that single company code you can cover all the scenarios like a real time project scenario, so you can get proper understanding like how it work for the implementation project, what are the configuration needs to be done, how to do the setup of master data, how to do the transactions from user point of view, how it is going to help you for testing. All this part we will be covering like a real time project. So this is about the particular overview of S4 FICO course that we are going to cover for SAP. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You can unmute yourself and ask the questions. Any one of you, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Any question? Anyone? Fees, yeah, we are going to update you about the fees. If you have any technical questions, just let me know. So again, Karthik can let you know about the uh, particular fee structure and how this job and opening and everything is going to help you out for that. He's going to let you know about it. On premise, yes. We are using this is on premise training, correct. On premise with a Fiori apps. Aruna. I hope it is clear. This is server, actually. Yeah. Any other technical question? If you have, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. That is also fine. Anyone, any technical question if you have related to FICO course, please let me know. Any doubt, any information technically you need about SAP FICO course? See, how many hours means this training itself fully we are discussing about is this one. This course used for taxation, account and taxation, we are going to have that as one of the topic. Like it is going to be the one which is like uh, taxes on sale purchase and withholding tax. These are going to be the part of this topic, and training with real time scenario number of hours, like we are for every scenario we are going to discuss about the real time one. Integration with FI and SD also, FIMM also we are going to cover. Yes, Lakshmi. Oh, okay. Uh,
Yeah, hi, this is Karthik
Karthik.
again.
Yeah,
Yes,
Karthik.
Deepika. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm here. So if you have any technical questions, please unmute yourself
Yeah.
and ask your
Actually, they
questions,
are not
please.
able to unmute. They are someone has
Oh,
sent
okay, sorry.
message.
Just give me a second.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, unmute access is enabled for everyone now. You can try, please.
Yeah, you can unmute now, try. Now you are able to unmute yourself. So if you have any questions, you can ask now by unmuting yourself.
Madam, excuse me,
Yes.
madam. For learning this course, so age is not barrier or not, madam?
Sorry?
Age can see age.
No, I'm not able to hear your question properly. What you are asking, what is not a barrier?
Actually, like
See,
what
age
Shiva
limit
is
is
asking
there, madam.
is there any age constraint for this course? Like he's asking.
Age constraint? No, no. No age constraint. You can learn anytime.
Anytime, but there is any suppose we have to take a best package, like the best company we are going to. Their age scenario they are watching, madam. Watching background gaps are there, like that watching.
Yeah, but we are here to help you out to fill up your gap and everything. Karthik can let you know about that. Don't worry.
Okay,
You
but
can
actually,
show
this course
once.
which background persons this course useful, madam? Actually, like a BCom, BSc
Finance, finance,
finance.
finance.
Actually, I am
Yes.
done, madam. I am done finance and marketing. Actually, I am working in banking. Uh,
Okay.
actually, banking and non-banking actually operations, like a customer
Okay.
service
Okay.
as a banker. So
Okay.
it is
Okay.
useful for me. Previous
Yeah, yeah,
experience also
definitely.
considering the company.
Yeah, yeah, definitely it is going to be useful for you, and you can actually learn about it, and whatever accounting see, as you are already from finance background, so you know, so whatever accounting entries are required to be done, we already covered those in current course. So including accounting entry, everything will be covered. So when you prepare, you will get prepared for SAP as well as for accounting also. So don't worry about it. You can go ahead. It is really having a good future. If you wish to switch your career, it is really a good change option that is available.
Okay. How much package will start, madam, after completion this course? Suppose you are selected in company, how
So
much
that
package will
depends
start?
upon the requirement and what kind of knowledge and all that you have. But it's like it depends. Someone get for fresher, and some new for 5 lakh also you can get, based on you already have different experience and you have good knowledge, and already you're working with different type of responsibilities. You can get it for 10, 12. Like depend upon the market requirement and your experience, like that we can say.
Actually, I'm currently package 5 lakh nearly, ma'am. I'm
Okay.
getting 5 lakh nearly yearly package.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Better package will get maybe.
Yeah, yeah, you can like.
Suppose I completed this course.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, you have. See, in
Yeah, madam.
SAP.
Actually, MBA is.
Actually, I'm
Yeah,
not
ma'am.
able to
Tell
hear
me.
your
Continue,
voice
continue.
in between. Is it clear for everyone, or every, and only it's a problem for me?
No, it is clear itself. Shiva, can you please repeat your question?
Madam, MBA actually I completed. I was
Y- Yeah, fine,
uh,
Shiva. Definitely, like
four
your profile is,
years
your profile is more
of,
suitable for this.
uh,
Don't worry about that. You can connect it to me one to
but
one, and you can
the
get the complete career guidance.
now,
Shiva, 1 second, please. 1 second, please. Yeah, your profile is more suitable. Don't worry
okay,
about
after
that.
all of
As
it
you are from the
going to actually problem.
Shiva, I'm coming to that point. I'm coming to that same point. Okay, you can connect with me on this WhatsApp number, okay? Or else you just drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat. Okay, I'll take over and I'll just give a call back to you like once the session is done. Okay, I'll take you more details from your end and I'll try to assist you. Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay, sir. Thank you. Already dropped, sir, my
We
number.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. And Lakshmi Garu, no, please. Okay. See, I'll tell you honestly one thing. No one can provide free trainings right now at this point. Okay. There might be some kind of like they'll be providing some videos or something else. That too not fully. Okay. No one can give their hard work for free of cost. Correct? So it is not sure actually. Okay, so we are providing only FICO right now, and we are about to start SAP CPI BTP right now, and the batch is starting about in next 1 week. Okay, so yeah, no, please, this is not a free course actually. Yes, sir. No, please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, hi Dipti. Aruna here. So my query is like we from the agenda, like the course, we can see like what are going to be covered. But apart from that, so for example, stating an example, like if we face any issues like any error or some program is failing, so these kind of issues, how to debug. So whether we those trainings will we get in this or just we are getting configs here.
So debug is a part of ABAP. So debug we cannot directly go, but we actually take the training in such a way that we learn with errors itself. I mean, whenever we are taking the training, it's not that we are going with a plain training. We cover all the errors, how to face them, whatever configuration you are doing, how it is relevant. That is more important, right? Because in real time, we have to solve the error. It's not that plain way you are going to, systematically you will have a configuration and nothing you are going to get an error or anything like that. So we cover the training in such a way that whatever configuration we are doing, if we are purposefully not doing it, then what errors we can face, what type of problems you are getting, and how to solve those. With that way only we are trying to cover the training. And technically, if you are facing problem, like as you talked about the debugging, it is a part of ABAP. That is a
Yeah.
technical training, right? So we cannot cover functional with ABAP and all, but to help ABAP, or like when they tell you need to understand about the tables, they are telling you like this table or
Yeah.
something is not getting properly updated and something. So how to understand about tables and all that from functional point of view, that we cover here. Okay, so that will be going to help you out definitely.
One more thing, like on FS document prep, like it is basically like functional people will be telling the requirements
Yes, yes, that's why
with
I
from
told
business
you.
to technical, right?
Correct,
So
correctly. So to answer that only, like for example, I am looking for a report for a customer that how many sales have been done, for example.
Mhm.
So for my selection screen, what I need a customer number, company code to be entered. So what we have to tell the ABAPer is the screen, like screen designing, that we need these fields. I do not have to tell about him to pursue to get the technical part. Programming will be done by him, how to connect them with each other. So we will be going to have the customer number from to range given, then what are going to be the company code. After selection, executing the query, what are the columns I'm looking for, customer name, number, then from where to pick up the data related to cells that we have posted the invoices, from that where to pick up the data. All these you are going to mention. So that is what I'm telling you, that functionally when we try to talk about this to ABAP, we have to tell them with the help of tables and the fields, right? So that is
yeah,
how to learn about that is once you understand that part, then see these are the one which we have to learn. It is not that with one day, first day you are going and you are going to get the requirement about FS and full program you
right,
have to
right.
develop. It is not going to do that. Slowly once you try and understand about the fields and all, then you will come to know how to write FS and all. Okay, so it
Got
will
it.
definitely going to help you out. That way we
Thanks.
cover it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this course covering SAP GUI? Yeah, GUI means, yeah, we are having the server, S4 HANA server on premise. And with that server only, we are going to take you with all the real time steps that we are going to do. So this is a GUI course, yes.
Have any technical questions, please unmute yourself and you can ask us, or else you can post in the chat as well.
Anyone, any technical question you have? I hope it is clear, Karthik. You can go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, Lakshmadhar, you just contact me on this number personally. I'll try to help you. Okay. Just give me a call or a message on this number. I'll try to help you on this. And coming to the remaining people, so if you are interested, as I said you, so today there is some special offer is going on for you. You can go ahead and you can apply for it. Okay. And let me explain you about the jobs. I said you right, there is jobs are also available here. See, many people, they will complete the training. They'll practice everything, they'll give their 100% towards the program, but when coming to these like job openings and to apply, they can apply if there is any job opening with the name directly named. That means SAP S4 FICO or SAP FICO. Okay, like this, if there is any job job openings are provided, then you can apply for it directly. But if there is some indirect job roles are there are many job roles are there. Okay, if you just see the page here, you can find out many things here. You can see even the technical support, SAP FI consultant, SAP CO consultant. Okay, so someone will think that so SAP CO consultant, it is only for CO people, not for both FI CO people. Okay, so this like there are many things are there. Okay, so that is the reason why. So we are going to search the opportunities on behalf of you, and we will be providing the opportunities from our end itself. Okay, so you can just like see here, this is the page where you can see the complete offers actually. Whatever the courses we have, on all these courses, we have just like checked the complete like our portals like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. All these platforms we have filtered for you. We found the jobs, and those jobs we placed here in this portal. Okay, yes, this is a completely online training only. Okay, and so here, so in this page, you can find out the specifically offers related to your particular training as well. Okay, if you can see, I can filter the SAP FICO opportunities. If I filter, there are 3 opportunities are there. Okay, so one is from Hawaii and one is for Deloitte, and this is a hacker growth something. Okay, so this is how like you can find the opportunities here. This is for Noida location, this is for Mumbai location, this is for Hyderabad. Okay, so this is how the opportunities are there. Still the page is under development itself. Once the page is fully developed, you can get the many opportunities here for freshers, for 1 year experience, for from 1 year experience to from freshers experience to 10 years experience. You can find out the jobs here in this page. Got it? Yes. This is how like we are going to help you here with the jobs as well. Okay. So if you are interested, you can plan to join the course today. And this is the course price. Okay, I clearly given you in the chat already. And so this is the mobile number where you need to contact us. We will be available from Monday to Sunday, all days will be available. So morning 8 a.m. to night 11 to 11:30 p.m. will be available. If you have any questions, you can just contact us on this number anytime. Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you. If you haven't dropped your name and WhatsApp number yet, please drop your name and WhatsApp number. We will share the recording with you. We'll share today's recording with you. You can go ahead with that. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you, Dipti Garu.
Thank you all. Thank you, Karthik. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.